Now let's take this problem which has come in JEE Mains Exam 2019 on 10th of April in the first shift. And the question is, lines are drawn parallel to the line 4x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 and at a distance of 3 by 5 from the origin. Then which of the following point lies on any of these lines? And the four options are given to you like this. So how will you approach this question? Now suppose if I give you any line whose equation is say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If I give you any such line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, what would be the equation of the line which is parallel to this line? Now we know that the slopes of the parallel lines are equal. So if any line is having this equation, any line which is parallel to this can be written as ax plus by. Only the constant term will change. So I can write it as ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. This would be a line which is parallel to the first line. So in the same way, we have been given a line 4x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. So any line which is parallel to this line will be having the equation 4x minus 3y. Only the constant term will vary when the lines are parallel. So I will write 4x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y plus k will be equal to 0. Now, how to go about this question now? After that, we have been given the information that the distance of this line is 3 by 5 unit as the origin. So my line is this, whose distance from the origin is 3 by 5. Now another concept, what is the distance of any line from the origin? Suppose if I have been given this line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So if I want to find out the distance of this line from the origin, so what I should do is, I will take x1 y1 as 0 and I can use the formula of distance of a line and a point, which is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. Or I can simply take x1 and y1 as 0, so it becomes c upon under root of a square plus b square. So I will evaluate the expression of ax plus by plus c at the point 0, 0 if I want to find out the distance from the origin. And the same thing I will do for this line also. Here, this is the line given to me and I want to find out its distance from the origin. So distance of this line from the origin will be mod of this x1 and y1 both will be 0. This will be mod of k divided by under root of coefficient of x, which is equal to 4, so it will be square of 4, plus coefficient of y, which is equal to minus of 3, so square of minus 3, and this value is equal to how much? This value is equal to 3 upon 5. So I will equate this value by 3 by 5. Now, under root of 4 square plus minus 3 square will be under root of 25. So this becomes square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So k upon 5 becomes equal to 3 upon 5. Now this 5 can be cancelled in both the sides. I will get mod of k is equal to 3. So when mod of k is equal to 3, what will be the value of k? K will be equal to either plus 3 or it can be minus 3. It can take any of these values. Now, so what will be our line? Our line is of this form. So there are two possible values of k are there. So what are those two possible values? We have k is equal to 3 and k is equal to minus of 3. So our required line will be 4x minus 3y, this is 3y plus minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our required line. Now here we have to find out among the 4 points in the 4 options which is the possible point on the line. So I will check one by one. I will take the first option, which is minus 1 by 4 comma minus 2 by 3. So what would I get if I put x is equal to minus 1 by 4 from the first option? So x equal to minus 1 by 4 and y is equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 3 into minus of 2 by 3 plus minus 3. So what is this value of this expression which I am evaluating at this point will be minus 1 by 4 multiplied by 4 will be minus of 1. So this is minus 1. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 3. So this 3 will get cancelled, and minus of minus 2 becomes equal to plus 2 and plus minus 3. So whether I use plus 3 or minus 3, in both the cases you will find that this value is not 0. So this option A cannot be the right answer. Now taking this particular B option. Now here what happens is, if I take x is equal to minus 1 by 4 and y is equal to 2 by 3, let me see what I get. So I am evaluating this expression for the point minus 1 by 4 comma 2 by 3. So again here I will take 4 multiplied by the value of x is minus 1 by 4 over here, and minus 3 times the value of y I will take plus 2 by 3 and plus minus 3. Let me see what is this value equal to. So this is minus 1 by 4 into 4 will give me minus of 1, and minus 3 into minus 2 by 3 will give me minus of 2, and plus or minus 3. If any of them becomes equal to 0, this becomes our right answer. So now we can see minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, and if I take plus sign, then minus 3 plus 3 becomes equal to 0. So this is satisfying the required condition. So option B will be the right answer to this question.